Hi, this is Anusmriti Sarkar, and you are watching News Today.
But yes, that has some time left. So for now, the jury members are enjoying Subham's drink, which is called as Achari Falnam. So I think you've added to the flavor. Your drink was great. And let's now see what the reviews turn out to be. But yes, I think it was an amazing first round. Like you informed at the start, 50% of you, 50% of you will be going to the second round. And that is going to be a mystery round, guys. So very shortly we will be briefing you on how the second round works. Basically, सामने great. More Monica 2024. Yes, let's make some noise. And now, pressure until I'm announcing the names. ठीक है, तब तक go ahead and relax. Okay, let's do it together. Come on, everybody, a big cheer to One in Cup 2024. Make some noise. All right, thank you so much.
Great challenge, and it's a great platform for everyone. I mean, it's not only coming and performing; it is you are representing your they are representing their own bars.
अरे गलतियां होता है, इंसान है, गलती तो होगा ही, लेकिन पॉजिटिव रहो, परफॉर्म करो, स्टेज पे हो, हमेशा स्टेज पे हो, and always remember the people who are behind the bar are the naughtiest guys.
But I will not take everyone's a lot of time. First of all, I'm very happy to see all new faces. I've been living in Calcutta for almost 2 years now, but I see the same repeated faces. But big ups to Monin for bringing up this championship, and I can see a lot of new faces. These are the guys who are the future of Kolkata bartending.
So we'll all take a quick lunch break now, and then we'll take the announcements for the round 2. So yes, please enjoy yourselves until then. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I'll see you in the second half.
Myself Aniket. So today we are representing the Monin Cup. It's a low for Mo. So we are participating over here. So it's a nice competition. So please, thank you.
आज कॉन्टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा था। मेरे को आज बहुत दिन को बाद एक कंपटीशन मिला है। मोनिन इज़ बिग कंपनी फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी मी एट द शोकेस माय स्किल। थैंक यू सो मच मोनिन।
Hello everyone, my name is Sneha. I'm working with Bar Artisan and today I'm here to compete Monin Cup 2024. Thank you Monin for giving us this chance to represent our cocktail, mocktail and beverage industry. Monin has different flavors, so that can we make mocktails also, cocktails also. So yeah, it's fun and thank you so much again Monin for giving us this opportunity to perform and present our creation.
Hi, I am Shubho. I work with Hayat as a mixologist. So today I am here to present my cocktails in Monin Competition 2024. It's a lots of fun over here. Work with Hayat and she is in Bar Artisan.
I'm working with Bar Artisan and today we are here to represent Monin Cup 2024 and today we are making cocktails, mocktails. The tagline is low is more. So we are making mocktails also, cocktails also.
And we are here to present our self as a participant. So let's hope for the best for the next round. Thank you. Cheers.
Round 1 is done, but I'm very excited to go to the round 2. I hope I will win this. And thank you so much Monin for giving us this opportunity as a bartender, showcasing our skills, our talent, our creation. So yeah, thank you so much Monin once again.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पुरपा टाशी है. मैं अरुणाचल प्रदेश से हूँ. आज मैं ये मोनिन कंपटीशन में आया हूँ. तो मैं अभी रिसेंटली मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड हो चुका है, तो मैं सेकंड राउंड के लिए इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. मैं माहिको रेस्टोरेंट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ आज. धन्यवाद. आज हम लोग यहाँ मोनिन का कंपटीशन था. ये लोकेशन AMPM में आज मोनिन का कंपटीशन था. मोनिन कप रिसेंटली मतलब अभी सुनने आया कि मोनिन मतलब 2 साल में एक ही बार होता है. तो लाइक इट्स लाइक great opportunity for us, for a young bartender like us. Thank you so much.
Hi, मेरा नाम स्वप्ना है and I came here for Monin Cup 2024. So I have participated in this competition for first time. So my experience till the time is that though we have experienced a lot of bartender with a different like they have got a lot experience, very versatile in their drinks. But here I can see a more of the alcoholic and non-alcoholic drink. Though I have presented my non-alcoholic drink, which was very it doesn't have any alcohol and it was supported to every age group of child, like a older person can have, a children can have, or any age or any group can have that. And though it is very verified from the housemaker, our mother who always work in kitchen, so it's a versatile cocktail and mocktail we are making. So all around the experience was superb and just we are waiting for the second round. I hope I would be the participant for the second round. Hope for the best. Thank you.
मेरा नाम मनीष नौटियाल है. मैं मोनिन इंडिया के सेल्स हेड हूँ. मोनिन वैसे तो 100 साल पुरानी कंपनी है और इंडिया में 20 साल पुरानी है, बट खुद से मोनिन 2021 में आई. उससे पहले इंपोर्टर के थ्रू आती थी और इंडिया के हेडक्वार्टर्स हैदराबाद में है.
सर, आज के कार्यक्रम पर कितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं और इसका मेन उद्देश्य क्या है?
सो ये मोनिन कप है, बेसिकली फ्लैगशिप कंपटीशन है हमारा. ये ग्लोबली होता है. सो इसका मेन उद्देश्य है, देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर आप ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स, बारटेंडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स और भी देखेंगे, उसमें कोई एज लिमिट नहीं होती. तो जनरली क्या होता है, जितने एक्सपीरियंस बारटेंडर्स होते हैं जनरली वही वो कप्स जीत के जाते हैं. सो हमने यहाँ पे एज लिमिट रखी हुई है 27 ईयर्स की, जिसमें यंग बारटेंडर्स आएंगे. वो अपना बेसिकली करके दिखाएंगे क्या रेसिपीज़ है, क्या है. सो नए बारटेंडर्स को हम आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं. सो ये ईस्ट राउंड है इंडिया. ये हमने इस साल का मोनिन कप ईस्ट से चालू किया है. उसके बाद नॉर्थ, फिर साउथ, फिर वेस्ट और फाइनल्स हैदराबाद में होंगे. और फिर जो इंडिया विनर होगा वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा पेरिस में. देखिए हम यही हमें भी पता था कि जनरली जो लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज करते हैं जनरली उनका यही रहता है कि होटल्स में ही जॉब लगी. तो हम लोग मास्टर क्लासेस भी करते हैं. जितने बड़े IHMs होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, बारटेंडिंग कॉलेजेस हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग उनको ये बताते हैं कि खाली होटल्स में ही जाना एक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है. आप हमारी टीम में भी 70% लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, बट वो सेल्स में हैं. उसके अलावा R&D है, QA में जा सकते हैं. सो एक बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है अपार्ट फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड होटल्स. तो ये भी हम लोग जनरली बच्चों को बताते हैं, फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को.
सो ये जो मोनिन कप का जो इवेंट है, सो दिस इज अ ग्लोबल कॉम्पिटिशन दैट वी डू इट वंस इन 2 years. सो इन इंडिया लाइक बेसिकली वी डू इट अक्रॉस 4 regions. सो द ईस्ट एडिशन वी आर डूइंग इट इन कोलकाता. सो व्हाट वी डू वाज बेसिकली वी यूजुअली take all the recipes from the contestants through an online portal, and based on the recipe that they submit, we invite them to sort of compete in the competition. So today in Kolkata there are 15 contestants who are competing for this competition in East. So we will pick the top 3 from each region, and they will compete in the national finale, which will happen in Hyderabad. And one contestant from India will represent India at the global finale, which will happen in France by end of this year in December. The criteria that we have was basically the maximum age of the contestant is 27 years old. So let's say suppose if he is having more than 27 years old, so we will not be able to sort of consider them, because if you look at Monin, we encourage young talent to sort of participate in this competition. And one more point was, so people can be working anywhere. Let's say suppose if you are working in a bar, he can sort of compete. If you are studying in a hospitality industry, he can compete. So anyone can compete, just that the only criteria that we have was he should be the age should be 27 years old or lesser than that, not older than. Yeah. So my name is Sai Harish. I lead the marketing function for Monin.